Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya Conrad kes sang ma ula Pynphai nya halor ke kynnoh ba ulong shah jam palat ha ka baya dei bat kynnoh ki mat ya kran ki bakta ya ke Jala kham tam ya ki ba persang ban penthot ya ka song sok song san ha ba jubab ula ong ba dei bri u ba kwa ya ka song sok song san ha ka Jala bat dei u ba kwa ya ka snam ula ong ba ki don ki benta ki ba long palat henry usko ba ka khamba da ka leti ka ba jai jai ha ka baya dei ban weng ya ki jing e.
Well, I can only say this. It is easier to give an order to shoot people and to use force. Let me tell you that very, very frankly. It's very easy. It is more difficult to understand and have the patience to listen, to resolve, and to keep the larger interest while so much noise is being, put up everywhere. So people can look at it from whatever way they wish. I have no problem with that. For me, I always keep my clear, vision and my clear thought in mind. And for me, peace and tranquility in the state, the safety of our citizens, the overall growth of our state is paramount for me. And hence, in this situation, yes, there are challenges. We could look at it and work in whatever way we want to. We could use force and we could make the situation even more complicated. Or we could have patience, listen, have dialogue, resolve, which is, let me tell you, sometimes the more tougher way. And we do that, and I prefer doing that. And therefore, anybody could make any statements. I think at the end of the day, if we're able to resolve the situation by me being more patient, then I feel that that is a better way to move forward. But having said that, I've been very clear with everybody that there will always be a line that we will draw. There will always be a limit to which things can go. And as I said in the past, in this last 1 week, there were some incidents that went beyond certain areas and certain limits, which cannot be accepted. And hence, firm action will be taken against those. But in the larger interest, it's important to see that as a society, we're able to move forward, as a state, we're able to move forward. And hence, people can say many things, but as I said, for me, I see the larger picture and the larger goal. And I would like to see that we're able to resolve the situation rather than making it more complicated. And it's always much easier to order the forces to fire guns and bullets and beat up people than actually listen, resolve, have dialogue and talk. So this is the way I see it.